My wife asked me to build 2 simple garden beds with walkway in between them in our newly constructed greenhouse. We of course started by cleaning the greenhouse of anything that doesn't belong there. The simplest way I could think of making the required beds was to hammer in simple wooden slabs on the greenhouse floor and just shower new dirt into it. Really simple, huh? So the mission was to cut those slabs by chainsaw from the fallen spruce that was already lying in our garden for some time. One doesn't need anything more than a chainsaw to get slabs out of a fallen timber. Of course, slab cut it freehand by chainsaw without any tools like alaskan mill, etc. will never look like it came from lumber mill, but for projects like this one it's more than okay, I think. To je vončo!